Oxford summer courses has helped me a lot with my future because not only can you be independent with your own field of work, but also you have your friends around to help you, which makes the experience so much more fun.
My key takeaway has just been like how to live by myself, how to manage myself, how to manage my free time, how to be able to get to class on time without any other factors like affecting me. So this is basically just my first taste of like living life as an adult, which I really liked.
I applied to Oxford summer courses this year because I did a course last year too, and it was really fun. It's a really unique experience, and you get to meet people from all over the globe. And yes, I've achieved my goals, which were to believe more in myself.
The best thing about my time on course is being tutorials with my tutor because it's much more personal and I can ask a lot more engaging questions because it's a smaller group.
The best thing about my time on course here is definitely the people that I've met and being able to be on campus. I love kind of getting the experience of what my future could look like in a couple of years.
The key takeaway would be the bonding, not only with friends, but also with teachers and everybody.
In one word, I would describe my experiences here with exploration.
Just so fun. It's been so cool to be able to wander around campus and around the town, see all these new things, meet new people, and learn so many new things.
If you're thinking about applying to Oxford summer courses, just 2 words, just do it.
Definitely apply. It's a 10 out of 10 experience.
I'm back now for my second summer and I've enjoyed it so much.
I'm definitely going to come back for a course next year because I really enjoyed it. It was truly amazing.
Oxford summer courses has been absolutely life-changing, so academically stimulating, and the people I've met are just amazing. We're at our graduation night tonight, and I can't believe 2 weeks has already gone by. The people you meet, they become friends for life, and I'm so glad I did this.
This program has really taught me like everything. It's changed it completely. Oxford has always been one of my dream universities, so I searched up programs that would lead me to Oxford for summer school, and then that's when Immerse came up. And I saw that Immerse had this amazing medicine program that I really wanted to try out. I think the Immerse program allows me to kind of learn things that I'm interested in instead of learning stuff that we're supposed to like in school. I've been doing things like suturing, I've been dissecting, and I've been learning about maybe taking blood tests or blood pressures. It's something that I never imagined doing at this age. I think the activities outside the classroom are very entertaining as I get to bond with more and more people. So there's people from all over parts of the world. I think Immerse has really taught me what it feels like to be independent because this summer school is, it's living in your own dorms, it's attending classes, it's all of that university experience, and especially it's overwhelming sometimes because it's in Oxford. Because Oxford is amazing. I feel like this is one of the most life-changing experiences I've ever gone through. It's meeting new friends, like getting to obtain information from tutors as respected that are like esteemed out there. Like this could be the highlight of my university application. It's such a worth it experience, and I feel like this program has really taught me like everything. It's changed it completely. I think to those parents out there who are like a bit iffy about their kids going, I think go for it. It's taught me life-changing lessons, and I really enjoy this program.
The reason that I recommended this program was it seemed like a wonderful experience, a truly international environment where they got to learn great subjects from real-life tutors. So I thought that is a really great way to sample the university life. The only thing that I was concerned about was that he had to travel here by himself, but I got great comfort in Immerse Education providing a pickup service from Heathrow Airport. One's experience may be a little bit different from others because previously he was all focused on physics. So he took on computer science but without much prior education in this particular subject. And apart from learning from his tutor, he was also able to learn from his friends. And so by the end of the course, he has now declared that it's his newfound favorite. Overall, the experience has given him a boost in his confidence, being in an environment independently and learning from his tutor and his friends. All of that has basically given him a great experience and a great foundation for what he might choose to do for his university. I would absolutely recommend Immersion education to other parents because I just think that the experience is so wonderful. The truly international environment is also a big plus because I haven't found a lot of other programs that offer this much diversity in cultural experience.